Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making our carrot cake, the famous carrot cake everyone is searching for. Yeah, and begin with we are going to start with mixing our dry ingredients, and we have 250 grams of flour, and we put in right now 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Yeah, and then we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Yeah, I normally put these in the description, the recipe. So if you need the recipe, just check the description. Yeah, to help you easy when you're making it at home. Yeah. So we mix all together. Yeah, we mix all together, and that's it for our dry ingredients. Then we're going to mix our wet ingredients. So mixing our wet ingredients, we have 1 egg. We're putting in 1 egg. So you crack it, as you can see, and we're going to put in sugar. Yeah. 5 teaspoons of sugar. Then you're going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter. And 1. And you're going to mix this. Mixer. Yeah, and now wet ingredients will be ready. So as our wet ingredients are ready, so we're going to add them to our dry ingredients. You can see. Yeah. Adding that to our dry ingredients. Yeah. And then we're going to add in a little bit of milk to make it soft. Keep mixing with your mixer. You can use a spoon, you can use a mixer. Yeah, either way it works perfectly. So you have to mix until you get to that smooth texture. Yeah, so you keep mixing until you get that smooth texture, as you can see. Yeah, and it's now ready. So right now we have our grated carrots, and we're going to add in our lemon to it. Lemon acts as a preservative to our cake, but it also adds that taste to it. Yeah. So you grate your carrots, as you can see, and then you add the orange or lemon to it. Yeah. So you just put in the juice, as you can see, over. Then we mix this. We're gonna mix this. Mix it up. Remove the seeds. Yeah. Yeah, and then we're going to add it to our mixture. Yeah, we made. Yeah, so we just add that carrot to the mixture, and then we mix. As you can see, yeah. Yeah. keep on mixing and mixing until the desserts taste. And that's our cake paste, as you can see. Very nice. Just going to add in a little bit of vanilla extract to give it that aroma. Yeah, and we're going to bake this. Yeah, a little. Yeah, that's it for our cake, and now our carrot cake will be ready in like 30 to 40 minutes baking under the oven. Yeah, it's ready. So yeah, that's our ready carrot cake. As you can see, it's ready after 30 to 45 minutes of baking it in the oven. It looks so yummy. We're going to transfer it to a plate, and yeah, and that is our very yummy carrot cake. Yeah, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and comment. Try it at home and give me your comments how it would have come out. Thank you. Hi, so this is our ready carrot cake. As you can see, it's ready to some buttercream, but it looks yummy already. So you're going to add it and serve. Yeah, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is our carrot cake.